Walk out of the shot. Grand introduction. We're not going to mess it up this time. Oh.
Hey!
Muffins!
I hate you so much, and there it is.
Hey! Cookies!
Like,
It
stop.
throws them off. They won't.
Well, you're the one messing it up.
Okay, fine.
Today. Hey! Today.
No comment.
I hate you. This is the third episode of Keenan and Adam's cooking show. Congratulations. Today we will be making banana muffins.
3 very ripe bananas.
First ingredient is 3 very ripe bananas.
In the arms of the angel, fly.
Quarter cup of vegan margarine or sugar.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be a hard one to throw.
1 cup of sugar. I hate you. Why? 2 cups of flour. Oh, great. 2 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. Wow, that was hard. Baking soda. Teaspoon of baking powder. Just kidding, it's not in the ingredients!
Trying.
Oh, 1.5! Oh, 1 up! 1 up from last time!
Cut that out of the video. Okay. We're mashing the bananas. Keenan, I'll handle the mash. You get. Oh, this is too short for my height.
No, I want a mash.
Okay, you can handle the mash.
Thank you.
Oh, you should do the
Actually,
mash?
no, you can mash.
Okay, I'll do the mash.
Oh!
Oh, look at that, man.
That's where the spiders grow. Wash the hands.
Wash the hands.
Large bowl, mashed bananas. Large bowl.
It's a regular size
It's a
bowl.
rookie mistake.
Keenan.
Quite the large bowl right here.
Quite the large bowl.
Extra large, I'd say.
Keenan, you know all about being extra large. Because he buys children's shoes in the extra large size,
I
that's
hate
why.
you. Let me. And there's a hair in here.
Bloody hair! You know what I think it's time for, Keenan? Mobile cam!
Hashtag.
Camming when it's mobile. What a jerk. Look at her doing her puzzle. It's Hunger Games, the cooking show! Get with a spoon and then...
Please don't tell me what to do.
Hashtag!
Mobile cam.
Got the whisk. I'll whisk you away.
Cause we're young and we're reckless. We'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless. Only the nasty scar.
Okay, Keenan. Flour and you get Uganda. She's ready. Put her in the water.
Then that's an uneven amount.
Okay.
Stop! Wash those hands.
I
please.
already did.
Please
Play the tape. Here I am. Don't touch it. You give me that back. You give me that back, man. If you cost us this show, all these ingredients. Stop.
What the hell, Adam? You're getting banana all over me.
You just bit my arm.
I swear!
Where's the ice?
What? I know.
Let's give it the old taste test.
Stop fucking.
Mamma mia, that is amazing. Best ones yet. I'm calling it right now. We're finally gonna be a success.
Spoon enough.
What?
Mobile.
Already?
Mobile cam.
Wait. Stop! Freeze!
Did you
Freeze.
grease them?
What?
You didn't grease them, did you?
I never grease them.
Yeah, you do. That's how you get them better. That's what we made. That's the mistakes we made. I think so. I'll wash my hands. I won't let you do this because you didn't wash your hands.
I did. Play the tape. Here I am.
Well, that didn't. Like, what the fuck?
Okay. What a 3! No! Yes! That is cooking!
That was a good one. We did very good.
We have 16 minutes and 51 seconds for the muffins already.
Short film.
Let's make a short film.
Let's go. What was that? Charlie? Charlie! Where's Charlie? Oh my gosh. Charlie. Oh, there you are. Oh my gosh, get inside. Wow, you are wet. Go back outside, okay? You can die. It's fine. Go inside. Go inside. Bring, bring. Hello? Yeah, did you hear that too? Dang it. And action. Okay, we gotta go. Bye. This is day 1 of survival. It's gonna be a tough one. Why are we out here? Be careful! It's dangerous out here. The end is coming. The end is coming. My dog is still struggling. We'll survive.
Okay, short film's done. Are the muffins? We got 4 minutes and 47 seconds left, so we're gonna go to Twitter to get some Q&As from our fans, okay?
Adam.
This one's from Geronimo Stilton. He wants to know, Keenan, can you sing the opera for us? Keenan, want to talk about the meaning of life? You ever wonder why we're here?
Yes. And if we have a purpose, what is life?
31 seconds left. Do something entertaining! Can you do a backflip? Wow! This is the worst cooking show we've ever done. Okay, Keenan just vaped. These are definitely ready.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that's gold now. Adam, can you get a cloth? Did I ask for paper towel?
Okay. The muffins,
Maybe you shouldn't have added the chocolate chips.
too soft. They don't taste bad, but it's like eating like wet bread. So until next time.
Well, yeah. These weren't cooked fully.
We're so bad at this. You know what? Next episode's gonna be the one. We're gonna actually make
Promise.
something.
Promise it's gonna be on.
That's the end of the episode.